Okay, so today is arte. So what are we gonna do today? Oh my goodness. We are gonna draw a pig, un puerquito. Vamos a dibujar un puerquito. And it's super easy because I'm gonna show you step by step on how to draw it. So yo te voy a enseñar paso por paso cómo dibujar un puerquito. So I'm gonna show you how to draw it step by step, okay? So we're gonna draw a little piggy. And first of all, before we begin, what do we need? Our materials. These are the things that we need to be able to draw our drawing of a little pig, okay? Necesitamos crayolas, crayons. Necesitamos un lápiz. Y en sus paquetes tenían una página blanca de construcción. Okay, now this is the time I need you to take out your crayons, to get your pencil, to get your white construction paper out. Okay, agarren sus materiales, and I'm going to give you, I'm going to count to 20 seconds. Okay, if you do not have it, grab something else. Grab whatever paper is right next to you, a pencil, crayons, whatever is next to you. If you don't have anything at all, please just be a good listener, and you can watch this video later and you can follow along and draw your own little piggy when you get a chance and get all your stuff, okay? So remember, if you don't have anything, just be a good listener. If you have something else, like a different piece of paper and a pencil and some crayons, use those materials. But if you have what I gave you and put in your packet, please get those out. So you will need, let's look at here, crayons is what you will need. You will need a pencil, and the pencil will have an eraser already on it. And then you'll need your white construction paper, okay, just one. So everybody should have this because I put it in your bag, but if you don't have it, it is okay. Be a good listener, okay? Crayolas, lápiz, y borrador en su lápiz, y su papel blanco, okay? And the construction needs to be white so that way we can see the piggy when we draw it, okay? Y si usted no tiene sus cosas con usted, lo más sea un buen escuchador y puede ser después mirando el video después en la tarde, okay? Because I record this and you guys can watch it later. Okay, so I'm going to move my camera because I want everybody to see what step-by-steps of how to do it, okay? So I'm going to clear this up real quick. Let me see if there's anything else I need to show you. A ver. Nope. All right. Ahora sí, let's draw our piggy. Okay, so I'm going to move the camera, so just give me a sec. It's going to look a little bumpy for a minute. Okay. Estoy grabando. Okay, perfecto. Okay, so tengo mi lápiz. I have my pencil and my borrador. Okay, my eraser. I have my crayons and I have my white construction paper. So everybody should have their stuff right now. Okay. So I'm going to take these earbuds out because I cannot draw with the earbuds on. Okay, ¿me pueden escuchar?
Yes, we can hear you, Señora Peña.
Thank you very much. Okay, here we go. All right, so we're gonna put our construction paper right here. So it's gonna be the long way, okay? So it's gonna be the rectangular, it looks like a rectangle, and we're gonna stand it up, okay? We're not gonna have it sideways, we're gonna make it look tall, okay? Tall rectangular shape, okay? Just like that. And that way we can draw our pig. Got my pencil ready. It's nice and sharp and ready to go. So this is what we're going to do first. Everything I draw, you will draw, okay? And I'm going to do it step by step. Okay, here we go. The first thing that we're going to do is draw a circle in the middle right here. So watch me first, and then you can do it, okay? Right here. Draw a circle. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's why we have our eraser, okay? Circle. Go ahead and draw a circle. Okay. Once you draw your circle, now we're going to do like little mountains for its ears. okay, because this is his little face. Now we're going to draw little mountains on top for its ears. So it kind of looks like a triangle, okay? Here we go. Two little mountains. See how it looks like a triangle right there? There we go. Two little mountains or triangle shape, okay? That's the next step. You're gonna do two of them. One, two. So circle and two little mountains for its ears. Go ahead and do that. Now the next step, we're gonna draw the piggy's nose, okay? So we're gonna do a little bit right here. So remember, watch me first. We're gonna do like a D, capital D. If you go like this, turn your paper around, it looks like a capital D, okay? Line, and then see how it looks like a capital D? Okay, you would have to turn your paper to do a capital D for its nose, okay? Or you can just draw a line and then like a U or a C, okay? Just like that. Let me show you a little bit better. Okay. Now that you drew his nose, we're gonna draw two lines, two little tallies, and two dots, okay? Because we're gonna finish his nose and we're gonna put little eyes on our piggy. Okay, so two little dots first. One and two. Okay. Dos puntitos. Two little dots. One, two. Those are our piggy's eyes. Okay. So tenemos las orejas. We have its ears. We have its nose. And we have its eyes. Okay. So that's what we got so far. Now that you finished drawing that, now we're going to give it a little happy face, a little smiley face, okay? So like a big U, okay? So this is how we're going to do it. Watch me first. Draw a big happy face, just like that, okay? Big U, happy face. Once we draw the U, now we're going to draw two lines, two little tallies, okay? So dibujamos la boca, una sonrisa como una U. Ahora sí vamos a poner dos palitos, two little tallies. One, dos. Okay, now you're going to put two little lines, and that's how it's looking. Our piggy is coming along, starting to look like a little piggy. Okay. The next step, okay, el paso que sigue, we're going to draw its body, okay? And it's going to be like a C, like the capital C. Okay, va a ser como la letra C. Okay, so it's going to start right about here. Remember, if you make a mistake, it's okay. You have an eraser to fix it. Okay, so we're going to draw two C's. Here we go. One on the left, una en la izquierda, otra en la derecha, one on the right. Two big C's. Okay, just like that. Okay, remember, if you make a mistake, it's okay. Okay. Now, after you draw your two C's, cuando ya dibuje sus C's, okay, para su cuerpo, for his body, now we're going to do connect this line to this line right here. And we're just going to draw a line across. Okay, vamos a dibujar una línea lo más derechita aquí. Okay, al otro lado, por conectarlos. Here we go. Watch me first. I'm right here at the very end of this line, and I'm just going to go across. Across, and touch the other one. There we go. That's what you're going to do next. Okay. So looks like we drew its body. Now we got to put more detail. Okay, we got to put more detail. We got to put his feet, his little tail. Okay. So you drew a line across, una línea derechita al otro lado. Ahora sí vamos a hacer sus pies. Now we're going to do his feet. And this how you draw the feet is by drawing the number 2. Okay?
What about his belly button?
I'm going to wait. Okay. Now you're just going to go ahead and draw the number 2. And it's going to be about in the middle. See, this is the middle. This is the top, bottom, and this is the middle. Is where you're going to do your 2. Okay. Número 2, aquí en el medio. Este está arriba, este está abajo. Aquí en el medio del cuerpo del puerquito, vamos a dibujar el número 2. We're going to draw the number 2 in the middle of his body. And it's going to be a big, good sized little 2. Okay, here we go. Okay, and then a 2 backwards. Okay. I said it doesn't, just do your best, okay? Or you can make it like it looks like a squiggly line too, but it's like a number 2, little loop, and then straight down, loop, and a straight down, okay? That's his body. His little feet is what we drew, sus pies, okay? Now we're gonna draw a little bit more, Tito, más detalle. We're gonna put his front feet. These are his back feet. Los pies de atrás, ahora sí los pies de enfrente. Okay, we're gonna draw his front feet. And this is just so easy. This is like a capital V, la letra V. Okay, and we're gonna draw 2 of them. Vamos a dibujar 2. Okay, here we go. Una V, otra V. 2 V's, 1, 2. And that's what you're gonna draw, 2 V's. Go ahead and draw your V's. And those are his front feet. Los pies de frente, and these are his back feet. Okay, after you draw his front feet, now we're gonna draw a tail. Okay, because he's a piggy. And it's gonna be little swirls, okay, little swirls. And we're gonna do it right kind of in the middle of his back feet. Okay, we're gonna start right here in the middle. Right aquí en el medio vamos a dibujar su colita, okay? And it's gonna be swirls, so just watch me. Just swirl, little swirls. Just like that, okay? Go ahead and draw your tail on your piggy. So this is our piggy, that's it. That's our piggy. But you know what I love? I love more detail in my picture. So that way when somebody sees my picture, they can go, oh my goodness, this piggy is so cute. And then they go, oh, where is he at? Well, I wanna show my piggy being outside, okay? Because I always have seen pigs outside. I've never seen a pig inside a house. I've always seen him outside. So I'm gonna draw grass. I'm gonna draw the sun. I'm gonna draw clouds, trees, maybe butterflies and flowers because, you know, that's what I see outside and that's what I wanna draw. So I'm gonna draw some grass. So we're just gonna draw little lines like this. Little lines. This is my grass right here. My little piggy is sitting in grass. So lines all across, so unas líneas así para mi zacate. Okay, so just like that. Go ahead and draw your grass. Okay, so remember just little tallies, little lines, unas linitas chiquitas. Okay, okay. Now I want a sun. My piggy's outside, okay? So yo quiero sol porque mi porquito está afuera. So I'm gonna draw sun. It's like a big C up here, half a C. And then the sun is so bright. Muy brillante mi sol. There's my sun. It's nice and bright. Look at that. Those are the rays of how bright my sun is. Está bien brillante mi sol. Okay, so go and draw sun if you want a sun. And then I'm gonna draw clouds, because outside I see clouds, okay? So unas nubes voy a dibujar, porque yo veo nubes, and this is just little, bubbly little clouds. And some clouds are different shapes. So just clouds in the sky, because they're all different shapes, son diferentes medidas las nubes en el cielo. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and draw a flower because I want my piggy to be sitting right by a flower. So yo voy a dibujar una flor porque yo creo que mi puerquito esté ahí en lado de una flor. So I'm going to draw a stick with a stem. Okay, un palito grande. Then I'm going to draw
Teacher.
but like a cloud. No preguntas ahorita. No questions right now, please. Thank you. Here's my flower. Okay, so go ahead and draw a little, like a little cloud, kind of like this, but smaller, because that's my flower. In the middle, en el medio, voy a dibujar un círculo. In the middle, draw a circle. Okay, that's my flower. And my flower has little stems. Okay, un triángulo, así como un triángulo. Una línea en el medio, porque ese es mi detalle. Okay, little triangles there. And a little line in the middle to show that that's my leaf there. Okay, and that's my picture. Now, this is the best part. I drew my piggy. Okay, dibujé mi puerquito. Ahora sí voy a colorearlo porque yo tengo mucho detalle. I have lots of detail in my picture. Look how much stuff I put. I put grass, flowers, sun, and clouds. I could put more if I wanted to. I could draw a house in the back, you know, or a farmhouse in the back. I could draw a lot more stuff. So you can put however much detail you want in your picture. But this is what I wanted to put. And now I get to color my beautiful picture. So I want my piggy to be pink. Okay, so I'm gonna color my piggy pink. So go ahead and color your picture however you want, okay? But just remember, try to color how you see things in the real world, okay? We don't see blue piggies. At least I have never seen one. We see pink piggies. Okay, los puerquitos son rositas, no son verdes, no son azul o rojos, okay? Sometimes they're spotted white and spots. I've seen those before. You could definitely draw that, okay? And then I'm gonna color his little face pink because he's gonna be all pink. All pink. And remember, when you're coloring, stay inside the lines, okay? That way it looks nice and clean. And if people looking at your picture can say, oh, wow, look at that. She stayed in the lines or he stayed in the lines, okay? So colorear adentro de las líneas cuando está coloreando su dibujo. Okay, we are in kindergarten now and we are learning how to color correctly. Okay, so vamos a colorear. Y zacate. Now my pig is done. I'm gonna put green grass because I like my grass green, not brown, because brown means it's not doing so well. So zacate verde. So voy a colorear mi zacate verde. Verde. This is green. Color my grass green. Now what else can I color green? What else can I color green? Well, my stem on my flower and my leaf. Aquí en mi flor puedo colorear. Okay. Adentro de mis líneas, inside my lines. I'm going to color that. There we go. And you can color your flower whatever color you want. I'm going to try to color it in orange because I like my pictures to look so colorful, okay? And I know in the real world there is orange flowers, okay? So there we go. And I'm gonna put, how about I put yellow in the middle? That way it looks like a beautiful flower, okay? But you can color your flower however you want. My nubes, my clouds, I'm just gonna do them blue. I know they're white sometimes, but I'm gonna draw in blue so that way people can see that they're my clouds, okay? And I'm staying inside my lines, estoy dentro de las líneas. There we go. Wow, that looks really, it's coming to life. Look how beautiful that picture looks. Now my sun is so yellow and bright. It is sunny day. It is not cloudy. No está lloviendo. It's not raining. Está soleado. It's sunny. It's not snowing. No está nevando. Okay. It is sunny. And there it is. I could put more, but I like it just like that. I'd like to see how you guys do yours. So this is how it's supposed to look like for my picture, but yours can look however you want. But your piggies should look almost close to mine because we did it together. Okay. But if it's a little bit different, it's okay because everybody being different is unique and special. Okay. So that is that for